Have you ever found yourself locked out of your Ooma account, feeling like you're trapped in a digital limbo? It's a frustrating experience, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of resetting your Ooma account so you can get back to making and receiving calls seamlessly. Ooma is a popular VoIP service that offers affordable and reliable phone calls. But sometimes, things happen. You might forget your password, or perhaps your account has been compromised. Whatever the reason, resetting your Ooma account is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Step-by-step guide. Locate the Forgot Password link. The first step is to navigate to the Ooma login page. Look for the link that says Forgot Password or something similar. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Enter your email address. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Ooma account. Double-check the address for accuracy and then click on the Submit or Next button. Check your email inbox. Ooma will send a password reset email to the address you provided. Look for the email in your inbox. It might be in your spam or junk folder if you haven't received it yet. Click the reset link. The email will contain a unique link that you need to click on to reset your password. This link is time-sensitive, so make sure to click on it promptly. Create a new password. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken to a page where you can create a new password for your Ooma account. Follow the instructions on the page to choose a strong and secure password. Confirm your new password. You'll usually be required to enter your new password twice to confirm that it's correct. Make sure both entries match exactly. Reset successful. After confirming your new password, you should receive a message indicating that your password has been reset successfully. You can now log in to your Ooma account using your new credentials. Choose a strong password. When creating a new password, make sure it's a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthday or pet's name. Enable two-factor authentication. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Ooma account. This will require you to provide a code from a verification app or SMS message in addition to your password when logging in. Contact Ooma support. If you're still having trouble resetting your password or accessing your account, don't hesitate to contact Ooma's customer support team. They can assist you further and resolve any issues you may be experiencing. Resetting your Ooma account is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following the instructions outlined in this video, you can regain access to your account and continue using Ooma's reliable VoIP services. Remember to choose a strong password and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. If you have any questions or encounter any problems during the password reset process, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.